What is up, people? Tis I, Venice. Not like the freaking beach. And guess where I'm at? Lowe's. It is time to start the freaking rebuild. I'm so excited about it. So, I'm at Lowe's with my uncle who left me. I don't know if y'all can still see me, but we here to start buying shit. So yeah, let's make moves. Where did he go? This man done left me. Okay, I just found him, but I think he saw me and continued walking. Like, bruh, wait. Uncle. Uncle. What the hell? Okay, look. Oh, there you go. He's probably like, I don't got time to vlog. I'm like, YouTube needs to know. Y'all need to know. All right, so first things first. We about to get some pipe. I think that's what's first. I don't know much about building, but I'm about to learn today. Ah, yay, we found it. Woo! It's going down. Yes, my racks are gonna be out of these pipes. So we need two or three?
Two is all we need. Now I need 3/4 T.
Here goes a T.
I mean L's.
Oh, there goes some L's right there.
That's half. That's one.
Oh, 1 by 3/4.
I need 3/4.
You want the pack or just a few?
Yeah, I need 4 of them.
Is that 3/4?
Yeah.
Yep. 3/4 L's.
Yay! It's happening!
I need
Soldering kit. How much is that?
I need the whole kit with the
Oh,
bottle,
the tank and everything?
the tank, everything.
That's in tools.
Tools.
Yeah, we have just the tank here, but
Sorry,
not the
I'm
good.
vlogging.
Do you have the kit over there? With the solder and the flux and everything?
I don't think it comes with the flux and solder. It might, but I don't know if it's for plumbing.
I get one of these.
What's that? Tell YouTube.
That's the water. I need some cheap
You
solder.
gotta give us a shout out.
I know, right? Shout out to Lowe's for giving everything to me, you know. What's up? What's popping?
Yeah.
That's fine. That'll work on electric solder.
They're not giving, but you know, supplying.
Plumbing.
I don't even know what solder is.
Flux.
I just know how to sew. Sorry. I'm so excited! Woo!
Go find some copper paint.
Copper paint? How? Okay. Spray paint? Spray paint? Can you tell me where the copper spray paint would be at?
5.
Aisle 5?
Mm-hmm.
What aisle am I at? 10? 8?
You gotta go down to the front.
Oh, okay, thanks. I'm going to get spray paint because he told me to. And I heard you. So apparently I need it to be opened because I don't, you know, yeah.
I go on the wall. This is how it holds.
Hey, and then we spray paint that with this. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening.
Okay.
Check Uncle Billy out.
Okay. We got valve. The thing that for the cap.
What cap?
So sorry, screws out 15, 16 hardware.
15, 16
So
hardware.
sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm almost fucking out. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. 15, 16. Oh, and don't forget we gotta look at the stones too.
What?
The stones. How much was the soldering kit?
That
Gotta
was
calculate
$3.
everything. Oh, that's all you need?
No, I gotta find the gun part.
Oh, okay. Gun part sounds like it ain't gonna be cheap. 15, 16. So here's 15, there's 16. Miley Cyrus.
Self-tapping.
Oh, and then I need those screws for the cubbies. I'll recognize them if I see them, but I don't see them.
We bought this, but we need the top. I need the top that goes on.
Oh, over the wall.
Got you. Thank you.
Ah, ooh, things over the wall usually cost a lot. Bruh. I am scared to see the bill. Someone caught me vlogging and it makes me nervous when people do that. He smiled.
You didn't bring the extension cord.
Fuck my life.
You didn't bring the extension cord.
Oh, I'm gonna buy one and take it back. I'm doing it. I only need it for like 1 day. Sorry. Sorry, Lowe's. Oh, you didn't get the cutters.
You get the extension cord out of this.
Okay. Let me remember where I'm at. I'm in lighting. I thought I was. Ooh, chandeliers. Excuse me. Can you tell me where? Sorry, I'm vlogging. I don't know if you want to be on the vlog. Can you tell me where extension cords are?
Extension cords are right over here now.
Okay.
Need some help with the extension cords, or you got it right here?
No, I can find it. Thank you. No, these better not be crazy high, because I'm be. What the fuck? $70? We ain't getting that one. Shout out to Jake, everybody. Thanks, Jake. He's been helping us around the whole. What's your IG?
My G, Jake from Bake Farm. Everybody get at me, you already know.
Follow him on IG, everybody. He helped a sister out today. All right. So what we gonna do? I got this expensive ass extension cord that I'm about to bring that motherfucker back. Sorry, Lowe's. Love ya. Oh, we gotta take a look at the stones too.
Oh, that's what I was looking at, but there's
Can I help you, sir? What am I asking this man for?
Where's the
I know,
stones?
'cause you came over, you just looking at me. Stones. I know. I was about to coming out.
I thought I did something wrong.
I need
It's
some
like,
stones
okay,
to go in the yard.
stones, there'd be some
Oh, I have a
outside.
YouTube channel.
Outside.
I have a YouTube channel.
Can I leave it here?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, I'm rebuilding a storage container into a store.
Storage container.
In a store, yeah. So I'm recording it.
I bought.
Where are we going? We need paint. Oh, he's leaving. He never waits for me. Oh, he told me to put these back. Sorry, Lowe's. Sorry, Jake gonna be mad. Sorry. I'm trying to document the moment. It stinks. I can't see the top of those.
Depends on how many you want.
I'm trying to see.
You want to see the top?
Yeah. Oh. I don't really like those that much.
Shit.
Heavy?
Oh.
Ooh, I like these, but I'm worried that they're $4.98.
They probably are.
All right.
Show me the vignette chandeliers.
Oh. See that one for $119?
Oh, shit.
I
You
want-
talking about chandeliers.
Yeah, fancy shit.
Oh, okay.
Or even the little one for $95, but they all kind of high.
They're high.
I'm gonna go look online and see if I can find a better deal. Oh, look at the little baby one for $95. I mean, I could just do something like this little balls, but I don't want that. I want to be grand. I want to do some grand shit. I'm leaving. This is depressing. Ooh, look at that gold one. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I don't even know if that's really my favorite though. My head is all over the place. I'm gonna just have to come back like I planned because I honestly really am curious of what my freaking bill is.
Get your Lowe's card.
210.86.
Get
Do you
your
guys have a
Lowe's
Lowe's
card.
discount card?
We have a Lowe's credit card. Do you get 5% off of your purchase?
No. I thought you guys had like just a discount card. That's okay.
Like a rewards card or something like that? No, we don't have that.
All right. $210. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we're at a Lowe's. Had some technical difficulties, but we're at a Lowe's. I'm in my uncle's wagon, I guess. And we're on our way back to the store. Well, we're on our way to the store. So, y'all shall see us when we get there. Video and work with them, but look how level these are. Yes. It look nice. I'm so excited. We're working on these shelves right now, but we ended up coming into an issue, so we got to go to the store. But yeah, we will be back tomorrow. All right, I would like to take this time to thank my Uncle Billy for coming out here all the way from Arizona to come work on this with me. I was blessed with some great family, and my uncle had my back right there. So I shall see y'all tomorrow when I come back to work on it some more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Leave some comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Hasta luego!